Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sporifii Learn. Today I'm here with the part second video continuation of DMS, that is Discrete Mathematical Structure, Module 1. I had left with the before concepts of this open statements. Let's start without further wasting time. If you want the same PDF, you can DM me on Instagram, and my Instagram account will be mentioned in description as well. And you can join my WhatsApp channel for further updates also. Let's start without further wasting time. If you're watching my channel without subscribing, make sure to subscribe and then watch the video. Let's start without further wasting time. Now, what they have given us, first let's discuss what is meaning of open statements. Let's discuss what is the definition of it. That means, what does this mean? If you have, that is a declarative statement. That means you declare something, or you can say it as assigning something. Okay. And x plus 2 is equal to 3, x is equal to root 2, or x is greater than 0. Here the x value is not exactly given. See, x plus 2 is equal to 3 means here you can replace as 1 or 2, or it cannot be equal to 3. Anything you can replace in the value of x. Such statements, x is called the free variables. You can vary the x value anything. Okay, that statements are called as what? Open statements, the undefined statements. Okay, and the open statements are having universal, and they are denoted by p of x, r of x, and q of x, and so on. X plus 3 is equal to 6 is the set of real numbers, and this becomes a proposition if you have x is replaced by any element of r. Okay, ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ 5 ಇಂದ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐದರ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಐ ಎರೇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ 2 ನ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ it is true. So you will assign the value as 1. The same way you will substitute all the values, and here see, you can see p of minus 1. That means you will substitute the minus 1. This is true. That is 1. Okay. Or you will take and condition, and you will take 0. That is, this is false value. 1 and 0 is what? 0. The value will be what? False. The same way you will substitute. If you know the starting part 1 video, the tables and all which I have said, it will be everything perfect. And quantifiers are nothing but all integers are divisible by 2, or if you consider these statements, all, some, every, there, exist, all, these are called as quantifiers. I hope you will understand if I say the example. See, they have given what? First, let's understand. X is greater than 0. They have given x is even, perfect square, and this and all. They have given the conditions. Divisible by 3, divisible by 7, and all. See, at least one integer is even anta heli nodidre. Q of x ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ even ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, one integer is even. Okay, the same way you can see all the questions are also like that. This is truth values also. You can study 2 rules, and for the quantifier also 2 rules of inference is also there. Next, see, they have given p of x as what? X greater than 0, and this is even. And they have asked, see, for all. See, this symbol represents for all. Okay, for all. This represents there exists. Okay. Next, see, r of x conditional. I hope you know this. Conditional. This is biconditional. Here you use if then, and the same way, if you have not seen the part 1 video, you will not be able to understand clearly this. So you have to do that. Okay, you have to see that video and come here. Okay, next you can see r of x conditional p of x they have given. See, first, what is r of x? X is a perfect square. You write that. If x is a perfect square, then what is p of x? Greater than 0. If x is a perfect square, then x is greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಈಗ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್, ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್, ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋದು, ಆತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. This is one of the important concept, that is logical equivalence. Same truth values ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು LHS ಮತ್ತೆ RHS ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, P of x, I'll erase this all. Yeah. See, they have given x greater than 0, x is perfect square anta, x is even, x is divisible by 3, divisible by 7 ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ x greater than 0, the value you will be substituting, that's all. Okay, here if you apply De Morgan's commutative law and all, you will get the answers. And if you have any doubts related to any questions, or if you find any answer you are not understanding, please do let me know in the comment box and I'll be clearing all your doubts. See, next question they have given is, let z be the all integers, be the universal set. They have given 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 and x square belongs to 9. Okay, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ, for all x belongs to z, express it in the words. Okay, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. This is one of the next concept is important. Okay, see, logical implication. Logical implication ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ p ಮತ್ತೆ q ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು p ಒಂದು q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ both should be true. That is called as imply. Okay, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ತರ. ಆಲ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಲ್, ಸಚಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಸಚಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಲ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ, ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎ ಟು ಸಿ, ಆತರ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆರ್ invalid. They have said already to prove that it is valid. Next, they have said S denote the set of all men, X is mortal and Sachin. The first statement, second statement and the third statement, and you can see here they have written in the form of an argument for all X. That is what you have saying, for all X means for all men, belongs to men. For all X means you can substitute the value X anything, and P of X is what, mortal here, and A is what, Sachin, belongs to men. Okay, and the same way P of A, that is mortal is Sachin. Okay, that is the same way, and you can see this is the valid statement. Next is an invalid. I'll be explaining the next important question is here. See, first sem, second sem and logic. Okay, and Anil they have given. Here you can see the negation and negation will get cancelled, and R of A, negation Q of A will be remaining. That means here if you apply, see, P of A and Q of A, the or will become and the negation, and the negation if you put inside, and the negation of Q of A will be remaining according to commutative. This is valid statement. And the same way you can solve all these questions which are very easy. And here also you can see for all R of X, they have given S of X and S of X the same way. Next is method of proof and disproof concept I'll be explaining. I'm just explaining. See here, the one of the repeated concept is this. When they have given x square is greater than or equal to y, and they have given x plus 2 is less than y. If you substitute the value of x and y, what they have given, you will get the value as true, and just you have to substitute the value of x greater than or equal to y. They have given 2 square is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, that is 4 is greater than or equal to 4. The same way for all, if you have 1, it is true. If you have 0, it is false. The same way. Next is with one or more variable and all, you can do these concepts. I'll be explaining method of proof and disproof. Okay, what is this method of proof and disproof? You will be understanding if I do one problem. Even you are requesting for the video of this ADA Lab 2 program. As you have understood ADA Lab 1 program easily, I'll be uploading as soon as possible. Within today or tomorrow, I'll be for surely uploading. Crystals already have done, prims I'll be uploading. Okay. Give a direct proof of the statement. The square of an odd integer is an odd integer. What you will consider? If n integer is an odd integer, then n square should be also what? It is an odd integer. You have to prove that. Okay. what you will take n is an odd integer n square, and the same way n is equal to, if you take n is equal to 2k plus 1 for some k integer, and if you do the square for this, it is n. Okay, if you do the square you will get this, and if you divide by 2, that means what you will get here 2k square, here 1 by 2, that means it will be not even. That means if it is divisible by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ even ಅಲ್ವಾ, 4 is divisible by 2, it is even. ಈಗ 5 is divisible by 2 ಆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 2.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ತರಾನು ನೀವು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯುಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ಎನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈವನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2k ಆಯ್ತು, 2k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈವನ್. ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿ ಏನು ಆಡ್, ಆಡ್ದು ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈವನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ. So I hope you have understood. The same way you can do this by problem of contradiction ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, next n square is odd, n is odd ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is true by contradiction. P conditional q is false. ಆಮೇಲೆ p is true, q is false ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ q is 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ n even ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈವನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಡೂ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. I'll surely clear all your doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye. I'll be uploading ADA module 2 also as soon as possible. And next video, what subject or what module or any lab programs that you require, everything please do let me know. And until next video, bye bye.